Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special for you. We're talking about 3 Bosch 18-volt power tools that have completely transformed the way I work on my DIY projects. These tools have not only made my tasks easier, but also made my workflow more efficient. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the Bosch GSB 180-Li, also known as the Cordless Combi. This tool is like having a trusty companion by your side for a wide range of tasks. What I love about it is the freedom it gives me. No cords to worry about, which means I can go anywhere and tackle anything, whether it's drilling into wood, metal, or masonry. The Cordless Combi gets it done. But here's the thing, it does have its limitations when it comes to heavy-duty fastening tasks like tightening or loosening bolts and nuts. That's where the next tool comes into play. Enter the Bosch GDX 180-Li, the impact driver or impact wrench. This tool is a game changer for those torque-demanding jobs. Whether it's removing stubborn, rusted bolts or nuts, or just getting through tough fastening tasks, the GDX 180-Li gets it done. It's the muscle in my toolkit, and it makes those challenging tasks a breeze. So while the Cordless Combi is versatile and agile, the GDX 180-Li is like my secret weapon for tackling bolts and nuts. It complements it perfectly. Now let's talk about the Bosch GBH 180-Li. Rotary hammer drill. This tool is pure efficiency when it comes to concrete and masonry work. Whether I'm drilling into concrete for a home improvement project or taking on a heavy-duty construction task, the GBH 180-Li is my go-to. It powers through toughest materials like a champ, making those challenging jobs look easy. So, to sum it up, these 3 Bosch power tools have become my trusted companions in my DIY journey. The Cordless Combi for versatility, the impact driver or impact wrench for torque, and the rotary hammer drill for tackling concrete and masonry. These tools have not only made my projects easier, but have also inspired me to take on more ambitious tasks. Remember, it's not just about the tools, it's about what you can achieve with them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that encourages you to tackle your projects head-on. And if you've got any questions or want to share your experiences with these tools, drop them in the comments section below. Let's keep building, creating, and making our dreams a reality.